So what we're going to do, Mike, is we're going to set up pressure and we're going to run from one side across the other side of the panel. We're going to be walking the full length of the panel. Now, just to get the feel, do you want to stand with 1 foot forward and do you want to take a step? So if you set up the same as I am, you're going to put 1 foot in position, and then you're going to take a step. So get prepared.
No, I like the way you showed me before. I like doing the rocking as opposed to taking a step. I like that.
You want to do the rocking?
Yeah.
Okay, because I've got to do the same as you.
Okay.
So are you ready to rock where you ride up?
I think so.
Okay, are you good there? So you want to be comfortable. You want to be comfortable. You want to be right in line with the metal. Because me and you are going to build this.
Oh, because
okay. So to set the panel, we're going to do the initial wheeling. We're going to run from one side across to the other, just to put a little shape into the panel, just to set it before you try and attempt to do it on your own. Okay? So we're just going to come through, and you're going to do the stretch.
Yeah, I like the rocking better.
Okay. So you like the rocking better?
Yep.
Okay. So now we've got that down. We're going to let me set up the pressure for you. I mean, obviously this is something that you're going to have to do eventually on your own, but for right now, I'm going to set up the pressure just so we can run through. What I'll do is I'll just take it so it doesn't vibrate and change the pressure on it, because the hardness of the metal, the 6061, it creates a lot of vibration and the dial might just jitter around. So what we've got now is coming through. We're going to come in from your end. We're in the position. Okay, so we're going to run in across the panel. Okay, are you ready? Staying away from the edge. And we're not in a race, we're just taking our time. We're just getting the feel for the shaking. Notice it's on supporting the panel in the middle so that it's not flopping around too much.
I can barely see the tracks. Is that because we don't have a lot of pressure, or we just don't see them a lot at first?
We've got hardly any pressure at the moment. We're just getting the feel for going across and keeping all our track marks really close together. Okay, coming out again. We picked up a little bit of dirt or debris. So as we're running across the panel, you've got to steer on your end, coming across to my end, so that the tracks are staying close together. So your whole focus is as soon as it comes your end, you're steering for me to keep them on track.
So I'm steering this on my end, and you're steering this on yours.
So as soon as it's on your end, now you're steering. And then on this end, I'm steering. You're putting a very slight crown shape through it, just to run through.
I'm starting to pick up where to look for my track mark and where the wheel is contacting.
Good. You're getting your eye and hand coordination in.
Yeah.
Okay. And we don't need a whole bunch of shaping this right at the very beginning as we're setting the panel. Just to sort of crush the metal just a tiny just before we raise the pressure so that our ribs don't rib the panel straight on this brand new soft metal. Even though it's a 6061 T6, it's very hard. It's the first couple of passes that makes all the difference. Stay off the edge. Okay. So there we go. So we have very, very slight shaped panel. Just very, very slight shaped. Hardly anything. But you can see that we do have shape in
Oh
there.
yeah, I would not
it's
pick
very,
that up.
it's very deceiving on how much shape is coming in that panel. With the
I
pressure
can't tell
that
until I
we've
hold the
got.
straight edge up to it.
Right.
Yeah.
A straight edge really helps. But you can
Doesn't
see
have
that
a-
we've got 1/8 of an inch drop
Yeah.
either side, so we've got a little bit of a crown. And I'm going to feel to see how the ribbing is, and it's feeling good.
That's not bad.
Not bad at all, no. And our track marks are really close together. We were doing well. And then you notice we had a little bit of a gap.
Mm-hmm.
And then over here...
Wait, the gap's over here. That's where you were steering.
Mm-hmm. So, when we went from here, you ran over there. And so that's, so...
Yeah, but when the panel's over here, you're steering. Right?
So when I'm here,
Now I'm steering.
and so that's where the gap came in.
All right.
You see? So it's actually where you were steering,
All right.
not where I was, because you're steering with the whole margin. I can't control this end.
Right.
So in other words, all of these are relatively evenly spaced, and even I have a little bit of a gap on one, but we don't have a whole bunch of pressure. But now you can see where you're steering, and if you're not close together, and by the time we come all the way down, you'll have steered a gap.
Okay, so I'm going to make mistakes like that.
Absolutely.
I'll notice it.
Mm-hmm.
Do I consider this panel set, or do I need to go back through there more before I consider it set?
We're going to raise up the pressure a little bit more, and we're going to run back more and set it again,
Okay.
because we're learning, and it's just the nature of schooling.
It's still kind of floppy.
It's still kind of floppy. And for you to try and achieve this panel on your own, we're going to have a little bit more crown in it, so it's not so floppy.
So I would not, and I'm doing this myself, I would not consider this set. This is like halfway.
It's about halfway, yeah. Okay, honey, we're good.